Hi everyone, this is Ahmed from New Product Systems, and today I'm going to be going over this system that I built in n8n. Now, this isn't a system that would serve any purpose to any business. This is just a system to explain what AI agents do and how AI agents can be used to automate businesses, automate tasks in businesses. So this isn't a system that would actually serve any purpose. The system is just made to explain what AI agents could do and what tasks they could perform. And so today I'll be going over the system and I'll be showing you what AI agents can do and how they work. So I hope you like the video. Okay, so here you can see this is an Airtable base and this base is in grocery test. So basically I made this table in my base and you can see it has 11 items. Excuse me for the spelling of motor oil, I know they're wrong. But there are 11 items in this grocery list: toilet paper, paper towels, razor, and so on. And there is a current quantity for each item. You can see that I have 6 toilet paper rolls, and the inventory threshold is also 6. So I'm just at inventory threshold. And for paper towels, way above the inventory threshold. The inventory threshold is 4, and the current quantity is 8. The inventory threshold is basically the minimum amount of the item that I need to have in my quantity, in my current quantity. So yeah, that's that, and I'll be showing you how the system works, but you need to understand this table first. Okay, so now this is the actual system. So basically, it has an AI agent. This is an AI agent. So the model connected to the AI agent is OpenAI chat model. I bought some APIs. Loaded some money into my OpenAI account, so now I can use models and APIs of these models. And then, as you can see, simple memory is attached with on the memory. Simple memory is attached with the AI agent. So basically, simple memory is just the simplest form of memory for the agent, and the context window length is 5. So it will remember 5 previous conversations, 5 previous texts I gave it, and that will be its context. So basically, that's what simple memory is. And then I have two tools attached. One of the tool is search records in Airtable. So basically, this is my Airtable table, and it will search those records from my Airtable and get information for those records. For paper towels, 8 are current quantity and the inventory threshold is 4. So it will get that information, and then according to the command I send it, it will create or update a record in Airtable. So it will, excuse me, so it will, if I tell it to create a new record, it will create a new record. And if I tell it to update something, if I bought more items of something, it will update that in my Airtable. So that's how this works, and now I'll be showing you a demonstration of how the system works. Okay, so now I'll be showing you a demonstration of how the system works. Let's test for, let's change the inventory threshold of body wash to 5 and the current quantity is 3. Let's just refresh this. Okay, now let's ask our agent. Take your record meeting and to give a response. Yeah, so only one item is below its inventory threshold, body wash. The current quantity is 3 and threshold is 5. Below by 2. Okay, so now I can also tell it that I bought 4 new body wash. Now it will update it and readable. There you have it. I've updated body wash to a current quantity of 7 items. Threshold is 5. Let's see. Okay, let's just refresh this. And its body wash is now 7 and the threshold is 5. And now let's tell it I bought, what should we add? I bought 16 waters. This store and the min and the minimum amount should be 12. So add this in the table. And there is added water, and the current quantity is of 16, and the inventory threshold is 12. That's the minimum amount. So yeah, that's basically how these AI agents work and what these AI agents can do. They can make changes depending on chats. Obviously, this would be linked to Telegram if it was a real system, but this was just a very, very, very basic system just to explain what AI agents can do. I'm currently working on a bigger system. It's an AI operations desk system. It's a very big system, and I'm working on it. Yeah, that would be the next video that I post. So stay tuned for that. It's an AI operations desk system. It would handle operations within a business or for customer support. So that's what I'll make next and upload this video. So stay tuned for that. And I hope you understood what AI agents can do and what they're built for and what their capabilities are. And I really hope you liked today's video. So yeah, I'll see you next time.